Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Java. So in last tutorial we'll discuss a few examples of single dimensional array. So now we'll concentrate on multi-dimensional array. So what is multi-dimensional? How this could be, that we can see in here now. So multi-dimensional array. What is multi-dimensional array? So multi-dimensional array in Java, multi-dimensional array in Java as called as multi-dimensional will be represented in the form of array of arrays. So in this there is the arrays, in between again there is a one more array, means within this one more array it should come, that we can say as a multi-dimensional array. So how we'll write the syntax for this? So syntax of multi-dimensional array is same as data type, then it's followed by array name, Here we can specify two arrays like this. We can write this. So this is the data type, could be here small d, like this we will write this. So for this there are some rules are there, so we'll concentrate on rule by rule. So first rule 1 for this is, at the time of array declaration we can specify pair of either before or after the array name. We need to define this. So this is like a definition of almost it's similar to the single array. Like this, if you have how many, that you can define, or you can define like this, or you can define like this. All are correct only, or you can define like this also. This is the combination is also fine, or you can define like this also, int error, like any of these are correct. You can define like this, either it should be before or after the name of the array. You can define like this. So this is the first rule for multi-dimensional array. Then a rule 2 for multi-dimensional array is rule 2. So that rule 2 is, at the time of array declaration we should not specify the size of the array. So here no need to specify the size of the array at the time of declaration. So then after declaration we can specify the size, means while initial description we should not require this size of the array. So what is the syntax? How we can define this is same data type, then followed by array name. So here too, here no need to specify the size of the array. Then here we can define here in a single line, how we can here again here data type. Now here you can specify size of the array, like here this is a size 1, means first array size, second array size, like this. You can define the multiple size of arrays, or this we can see here like this, data type ARR name, like this also you can define. Or once you define here, then you can specify here ARR name equal to new data type. This already we seen in a single dimensional. It's also similar, almost with a similar. So type same as here. This size 1, size 2, like this we will define here. End of the statement, semicolon. Here also end of the statement, semicolon. Like this we can define this multi-dimensional. Some examples we can see here how we are defining that. We'll see here examples. Int arr, I'm defining two arrays equal here. Int new int. So first one is the 3, length is the 3, second one is the 4. Like this we can define. Or this is how we can define in a second manner. Int arr, then arr equal to new int 3 and 4. Like this also you can define. This is first line, or this combination of these two lines we can define here. This is this. Then next rule for this is rule 3 is in multi-dimensional array, specifying first dimension of array is mandatory. First dimension of array is mandatory and the remaining are optional. If we are specifying the remaining dimensions, then they must be specified of the in the order of the left to right. So order of the left to right. Here we'll see one example how this happens here. With a simple diagram, I'll explain you clearly. So just drawing one diagram here. So this is one array. I don't want to fill any color for this. Sorry, shape fill. Outline could be some color. Okay. So same, I need 3 more. Means I want to take here arrays with 3 arrays. How this data is handling here we can see. So 3 arrays. Here I have I have to insert here so here some shape outline. So here like this I have here multiple things here. This is here I am writing some value. That value is 1000. Just I am giving this array value as 1000. So like this I want 2 more values here. So total I need different values here. So this here it's a 2000, here it's a 3000, like this. In a single array I have this. So now this I have for this is 0. This is a 0 position, 1 position. So I have to copy, paste. So again I have to use this here. Just here I'm not putting the boxes, but it should be here. First here I want to write some text here in this. Here I want to write some this here. Here also there are 4. I want to write 4 datas. For that here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Total here I'm having this 4 because the array values are here 1000. So because of this 1000 here we need to write this is in a 4 digits. So when we are writing here in a 4 digits of this, same here also 4 digits, here also 4 digits. Like here position means this is a multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array, each should be here different kinds of arrays here. Means for this 1000, it could be here, and the next this is for 1000. Next here is the same for this again here. This is for 2000. This is for 3000, like this. It should be here. So this is the way the all elements should be assigned like this. Based on this means this is the main thing in a main array. Again there are multiple arrays in each level that can be handled internally by itself. Internally it is taking the place where this is. So in this case here all arrays elements are the similar. It is an 1000, 3000 means all array length is the same, but sometimes length also could be different. If this length is also be different, then that we can say as jogged array. So here one more word, jogged array. When this is a jogged array, in multidimensional arrays, the above are all are unequal. So about that jogged array, we'll see in the next tutorial in detail. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.